I verified the golden, let's go. Finally. Okay, but seriously though, fuck that ending, bro. It's getting hot in here. Okay, let's count attempts. 497. I don't feel like doing math in my head right now. Calculator, where are you? Plus this one, which there's one part in this freaking star pose that was different than the actual level, but it messed me up once, but that's fine. 1480. 1,480 attempts, not bad. Could have been like 300, 400 less than that, but whatever. That's not how you spell golden. Oh yeah, that was my 20th extreme. Didn't even realize that.